How does inherited property lose its exclusivity? Part 3. So, yung pangatlo ay through co-titling. O ito yung pag tina-transfer mo na yung pangalan. Since ito ay mga mana, at lalo na pag malaki yung amount ng minana mong property or marami, for sure yan, malaki din yung babayaran mong estate tax. At may mga babayaran ka pang other fees and taxes para matransfer yan sa name mo. So, kung gumamit ka ng matrimonial funds or mixed funds with your spouse, automatic yon mawawala yung exclusivity ng iyong inherited property. So, yun yung tatlo natin. Una ay mixed funds sa pagpapatayo ng any building or structure. Pangalawa, through prenuptial. Pangatlo, paggamit naman ng mixed funds during the transfer or co-titling. How about you guys? Meron pa ba kayong alam na hindi ko na i-discuss? Feel free to share para mapag-usapan natin. Have a great day!